All right, so this is the cover I made for my KitchenAid immersion blender. The original button that was in there, the rubber material cracked and it was literally falling apart. So it really wasn't safe to use in the kitchen because that was all exposed. So what I did is I took a knife and I kind of cleaned out the inner edge. I left the lip on there. You'll see what I mean on your blender there. And then on this button down here, you might have to bend it up slightly so that it engages with this cover without having to push in too hard. I've got mine bent just right, so it engages when you press down there pretty quickly. To install the cover, again, I put a marking at the top and the bottom to kind of line up to test fit it. And then what you do is you put a dot of super glue at the top and the bottom, line it back up again, and press and hold this until it's solid. I think I might have jumped the gun when I glued up this side because this is slightly rotated on there, but it still works just fine. But wait till that's dry after a couple minutes, and then you can run a bead down the inside of this lip here and then slowly press it down into, slowly work it into place. You're just going to kind of walk your fingers through here to press it all into place till that glue sets up, and then you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and then put enough glue on there so that when you press this down, you're going to see it come out of the edge. That means you've got a good seal all the way around, so you're not getting any moisture in there, and then you should be good to go.